Load up your brush with watercolor paint and start your lollipop sketch by drawing a semi-oval. Here again, I'm using the coral watercolor. Next, sketch the ridge part of the lollipop. It will resemble two slightly curved lines with a little protrusion at both ends. Next, finish the lollipop by drawing the other half of the semi-oval. Since we used lots of pigment with the brush, we can now wipe it on a towel and squeeze a drop of water onto the sketch. Start pulling in the color from the lines into the middle of the shape. Be mindful to leave the left-hand side of the lollipop fairly light so as to indicate the light source and give your sketch more dimension. You can always wipe off the excess color from the brush and blend it in with a wet brush. The right-hand side will be darker, so keep adding a few more watercolor layers to it. And the ridge part of the lollipop will also have pretty dark lines, so as to indicate shadows. You can use Payne's gray or a black color diluted with a lot of water so it's fairly light to sketch the lollipop stick. Similarly to our lollipop, the left-hand side of the stick will have a highlight and the right-hand side will be a bit darker.